Right then, I hope you're doing well. What we're going to cover this week is something a little bit different. I've read a brilliant article in The Guardian, how to save a tired cucumber. So this is slightly past its best before date, and don't be deceived by best before. Best before means it's beyond its optimum quality. I'm also super excited about covering some recipes from Food of Szechuan by Fushia Dunlop. This book is amazing, and it's actually got a couple of recipes for cucumbers, which is the smacked cucumber and garlicky sauce, and also this, which is very similar to what I'm just going to cover now, which is the spiced cucumber salad. Look at that there, and also the recipe here, but look at the simplicity of some of these dishes. But what we're going to cover is char-grilled bang bang cucumber, and this is what it should look like here. Don't bin cucumbers that are slightly past their best. They're great charred on a grill and soaked in a pan-Asian umami-rich dressing. So for the key ingredients for this, it's a super fresh and fragrant dish, this. I'm really looking forward to trying this, and also getting my wife's feedback as well. You know, who doesn't love cucumbers? We're going to char this in a pan. You need 200 grams of cucumbers. We need sea salt, also palm sugar, or you can use an alternative sugar, toasted sesame oil, soy sauce, rice wine, garlic puree, chili oil, some white sesame seeds, and there's various things you can use to garnish this dish. You can use the black sesame seeds, chili flakes, seaweed. So let's get going. And then here we have it, a exclusive recipe, which was an article done by Tom Hunt, the char-grilled bang bang cucumbers. Absolutely brilliant. Look at that. Let's try this. Wow. That's absolutely incredible. How you can just transform a underrated vegetable like cucumber, and there's some numbness from the Szechuan peppers. This is really 5-star cuisine. So really hope you enjoyed the show. Please do subscribe, a lot of love and passion going into this. Please turn on your notifications every Tuesday, fortnightly, bing, turn them on. Really hope you enjoyed the show, and look forward to also getting your feedback and your comments for this dish. Enjoy.